Welcome to the sweet life of Addisyn and Alayna and MV. Y'all see this? It's snowing.
It is snowing. We still got to get a lot more, so we'll come back out when it's snowing a lot.
Okay.
But it's snowing.
Uh-oh.
DMV check.
Whoa, big man, you got snow on you.
This is getting dirty. Cause I did jokes.
Whoa.
It's like a snowstorm.
All right.
Let's go. Can't hold me back anymore. Let go. Let go. You'll never see me cry. When it snow, really, I'm gonna be singing the song. I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna have a snowball. I'm gonna be like, let it go. I'm gonna throw it. Let it go.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll come back out later. You love the snow? What's wrong? Sing your song. Do your Spider-Man jump. Woo! All right, come on.
No, Mama, why you?
Don't throw that at me, sir.
Good red house.
White snow falling.
Do you see all this snow?
Oh.
What do you think about it?
Lay on the ground.
Addisyn, what do you think about the snow?
Laughing and cheering for cheer. Snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun.
Your hands gonna be freezing. You know you don't like the cold.
You got it,
Rolling snowballs, big and round. A snowman stands tall on the ground. Carrot for the nose, coal for the eyes. Hat and stockings just the right size. Oh, snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, snow fun.
I'm gonna walk around and check out.
Rolling snowballs, big and round. A snowman stands tall on the ground.
It's crazy that it's actually snowing today.
Just the right size.
Best snow day ever. Look at all that snow. Like,
All day long.
y'all see that? That is crazy.
Snow fun, we play and run. Wonderland, so much fun. Snow ain't red, but so much joy. Winter games for every girl and boy. Hot cocoa after warm and sweet. Winter days can't be beat. Snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Snow fun under the sun. Magic fun for everyone.
Can we do a snow angel?
I thought y'all was gonna do your thing first.
Yeah, but hold on, I want to do a snow angel. Can we?
Like, it is really snowing.
Can we do a snow angel now?
Go ahead. There's a lot of snow. Did you do one? Whoa. All right, big man.
A bit one.
Okay, come on. He trying to help you.
I can't. It's not going no better. I rolled it into a ball, but it's not rolling.
So bright, like snowflakes.
Beans, please, for the mound. I need the beans. Hey, for the smell.
You got it going? Gotta roll it into a circle. Do y'all need the pro to help y'all? Huh? Oh, snap. That's a snowman? That's cute.
You want it? Yeah. I got the nail. No, that's the
MB, let's go. MB gonna be messed up. MB, let's go. Get in the house. Let's go. This face too red. Let's go.
Why would you do that?
It's okay.
I want to put the beans in. Put more on. I want to have a snowball.
That's really cute.
So I'm scared. Now we just need a hat. And then I'm gonna find the hat.
Aw.
I'm gonna scarf. I know you're on it. Snowball.
Okay.
If the boys come back out, we're gonna have a
Okay, I'm getting started on my snowman. I have no idea what it's gonna look like, but let's get to it. See that? Like, we are literally like in winter wonderland. Like every single vehicle is snowed in. This is like crazy, but I love it. I don't know how your daddy doing this one. I don't know his vision. We just gotta wait on it.
Now I'm saying, y'all can be putting snow around it. So you want it fat now around the bottom.
Yeah, I think this needs to be fat. It looks like, you know, totem pole.
I need that little bucket now.
What you think gonna happen? You think it's gonna fall? Our snowman is skinny. Oh, yeah. It didn't fall. That is the skinniest snowman I've ever seen. You're doing a good job, boy. Ooh, with the little hat.
You can do all the one. Yeah, because this is not good.
The carrot and the little head for me, baby. Like, what? You can't tell him he ain't doing a good job, though.
What beat?
You're doing a really good job. Them blue eyes look real good. Ooh, it's cold. Her head cracking. Top.
I'm gonna wrap this around the snowman. Because I know how to do it. Use the scarf. Oh, that's really ugly.
Chill out. You're doing the best you can. That look good like that, boy.
You don't cover the mouth.
You're giving the snowman some cheeks.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that's good right there. You think you can do better?
I got the scarf. I want it.
Don't you make our snowman fall? Boy, that's good. Just let it be like a side mouth like that. Side smile. That's it right there. You got it. Okay, clean them teeth up. Okay, Addison. Wrap it with your life.
And I can't get my own hat. You ain't got no
All right.
hat. I can't go Michael Jackson hat. You ain't got no Michael Jackson hat.
He had a little bit of one in there somewhere.
Mess it up. Daddy said he gonna be done, and then all of us gonna come back out later and find.
And it's still falling like it's still snowing, y'all. This is insane.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe, comment, and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye!